Good morning, this is Hiren Trivedi from Axis Securities presenting the daily fundamental view. Firstly, an update on the global markets. The US markets ended sharply lower on news that Britain decided to leave the European Union. Moreover, data indicating that durable goods order in the US fell more than the expected 2.2% in May further dampened investor sentiments. The Dow Jones dropped 610 points or 3.39% to close at 17,401, while Nasdaq lost 202 points or 4.12% to close at 4708. Currently, the Asian markets are trading mixed as investors try to understand the implications of Britain's exit from the EU. Indian indices are expected to open lower and focus will be on global cues for further direction. Nikkei is trading higher by 1.53% while Hang Seng is trading lower by 0.95%. Singapore Nifty is trading lower by 0.75%. Coming to some of the announcements to watch for, the government to consider 15 FDI proposals on July 5. India INC has raised $1.32 billion from overseas markets in May. Forex reserves hit record high of $363.83 billion for the week ended June 17th. Come to company specific news, Glenmark Pharma has received final approval from US FDA for antifungal ointment, and Aban Offshore subsidiary has received contract from ONGC for the deployment of drillship Aban Abraham for a period of 2 years. The expected revenues for this deployment is estimated to be $87 million, equivalent to around 592 crore rupees. Thank you.